Hey there, welcome to MTH Health. If you love self-care and beauty tips, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about how to maintain a Brazilian wax so your skin stays smooth, irritation-free, and flawless. Let's dive in. Getting ready for a wax. Here's what you need to do beforehand. Exfoliate your skin a couple of times a week. This gets rid of dead skin and helps prevent ingrown hairs. Skip the heavy lotions, oils, or soaps before waxing. They can make it harder for the wax to grab the hair. Trim your hair if it's too long, but don't go too short. About 1/4 of an inch is perfect for the best results. Alright. So you've just gotten waxed. Now what? Follow these simple aftercare steps. Stay away from hot showers, baths, and steam rooms for 24 hours to avoid irritation. Soothe your skin with aloe vera gel or a gentle fragrance-free moisturizer. Wear loose, comfy clothes to prevent rubbing and irritation. No one likes ingrown hairs, so here's how to keep them away. Gently exfoliate the area 2 to 3 times a week with a mild scrub or exfoliating mitt. Use a warm compress before shaving or waxing to soften the skin and hair. Try an ingrown hair serum or tea tree oil to help prevent hair from curling back under the skin. Want to keep that silky smooth feeling? Here's what to do between waxing sessions. Moisturize daily to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Avoid direct sun exposure for at least 24 hours after waxing to prevent irritation. Stick to a regular waxing schedule every 3 to 4 weeks to maintain smooth skin. And that's it. Keep up with these easy tips and your skin will thank you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest self-care tips. See you next time.